There's a 8.1c, there's a continuation of sequences in series. Just need to give you some more heads up on some of the stuff because it's somewhat tricky. So 8.1c, algebra 2. So summation notation, when you see this symbol, this is the Greek letter sigma. That symbol right there means you're going to be adding some numbers up at some point. Anytime you see that symbol, you're going to be adding some numbers. Anytime you see that symbol, you're going to be adding some numbers at some point. Okay? So here, first off, one of the things that people get messed up on, especially when that's not a 1, when the lower limit's not a 1, it's just that much more difficult and people freak out. So how many terms are there in this case? Here's an easy way to do that. Take the upper limit minus the lower limit. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now add 1, you get 4. There's going to be 4 terms here. Okay? We start off with 0 when it's 0, and then we continue it to go to 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So the letter is N. So 0, 0 squared. Next one is 1, 1 squared. 2, 2 squared is 4. Whoops, 2 squared. Next one's 3 squared. And it's N squared. Okay, 0 squared is 0. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. Now that we got to this point, now we're going to add them. This is a series. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. Put a boxer in your answer. Boom, done. So, next one, right? Yeah. How many terms are there going to be? Upper minus lower limit. 6 minus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. There should be 5 terms. You should have 5 terms. Start at 2. 2. And then go to 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't keep going. The upper limit is 6. So I stop at 6. I start here. I end there. Start at 2. Keep on going until you get to 6. And in this case, the letter is N. N. So it's the nth term. When N is 2, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 4 is 10. When N is 3, 3 times 3 is 9 plus 4, 13. Okay. When N is 4, 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 is 16. When N is 5, 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4 is 19. So that 3 in there just means we're adding 3, adding 3, adding 3, adding 3. 9 plus 3 is 22. Okay, good so far. This Greek letter sigma, what are we going to do? Add, 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 add. So 10 plus 13, 23, 33, 39, 39, 49, 59, 58, 60, 70, 80. I did that in my head. I certainly hope I got that correct. That's an 80, not a 180. Next one. Just want to make sure I got that correct. 10 plus 13 plus 16 plus 19 plus 22 equals 80. Boom. Next one down here. When lower limit's a 1, it's so much. If that was a 1, there'd be 13 terms. If that was n equals 1, if that was a 1, there'd be 6 terms. But these, I'm picking these purposely because the lower limit's not a 1. For my students, when you guys make these summation, I want you, if it's a 0, don't change it. But when you start with something like this, here's a series, and you have to change it into summation notation, I want the lower limit to be 1. That way, everyone's answers will look the same. Okay? Otherwise, you get a bunch of different answers, and people go, I got this, I got that, she got this, he got that. And they're indifferent. Well, if the lower limit's 1, it makes it so much easier. This is not making it easy for us. Not making it easy for us. Not making it easy for us. How many terms are there going to be? Upper limit minus lower limit. 13 minus 6, 7. Add 1, 8. 8 terms. Start with 6, 6, 7, 8. Keep going until I get a 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8 terms. Sweet. There's our formula right there. 6, 6, 6, 1 is 7. 6 times 7 is 42. 42. When j is 7, 7 times 8 is 8. 8 times 9. 9. 9 times 10. When it's 11. Sorry. 10. 10 times 11. Oh, that's funny. When j is 11. 11 times 12. 1, 32. And when 12. 12 times 13. Now this I don't know. 12 times 13. 156. 13. So 13 times 14. 13 times 14. 182. So there's our sequence. This summation means, sorry, there we go. This summation means we have to add them. It's a summation symbol. Greek letter sigma. Add, 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 add. So start adding these up. 42 plus 76 plus 72 plus 90 plus 110 plus 132 plus 156 plus 182, 840. Double check that. 42 plus 56 plus 72 plus 90 plus 110 plus 2 plus 156 plus 182, 840. Boom. There you go. Done. So beware of this stuff. This stuff, a little bit tricky. A little bit tricky. Be careful. How many terms are there? I don't know. I need this value. If that was a 1, there'd be 3 terms. Oh man, it's not a 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. Add 1, 4. 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many terms are there here? 6 minus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. There's 5 total terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. How many terms here? 13 minus 6 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. There's 8 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom. Hasta la bye-byes.